Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ash, and obviously we're doing something different in Sew Web today. I'm showing you my face, and in today's video we're going to learn how to make this turtleneck t-shirt. It's super easy, super simple. The pattern is available to download on my Etsy store. You can go ahead and look at the description below and purchase the pattern. Before cutting your fabric, you always want to start out by stretching your fabric and making sure the grain with the most stretch is placed horizontal. So when you cut on the fold, you want to make sure that when you stretch the fabric, when it stretches around your waist, you have the grain with the most stretch around your chest and your waist area. So make sure you do that before you go ahead and fold your fabric. It should look something like this. And then you're going to go ahead and take the back pattern and put it on the folds and cut that one out as well. And the pattern does come with two neckbands. The first one is going to be the neckband that works for an extra small, small, and a medium, and the other one's going to be a one that works for a large and an extra large. And when I'm cutting out my fabric, I don't usually pin the pattern. It destroys the pattern and I don't like that. So I go ahead and just put something heavy on it, your phone, your Bluetooth speaker that you're listening to, your cat. And then I'm going to take the sleeve pattern, I'm going to cut two of those. Now you're going to go ahead and take the front and back piece and you're going to put them right sides together. And you're going to pin them right at the shoulder over here. You're going to go ahead and sew that together and it should look something like this. Now go ahead and spread the whole piece out. You want this right side on top, and then you're going to line up the sleeve right side together with the whole piece. So what I like doing is I like folding the sleeve in half and pinning it at the center. And then I take that and I line it up right over here at the shoulder seam, right at the center over there. And then I work my way around just to make sure that it gets distributed equally around the length of the bodice. Bodice, t-shirt, same thing. So what you want to do is you want to stretch that sleeve a little bit just to make sure it lines up with the entire curve. Go ahead and do the same for both sides and then sew it together. and then you're going to go ahead and pin the entire sleeve and sides together on both sides. It should look something like this. And now you're going to take the neckband and just fold it in half and sew it. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to take that neckband and fold it in half. Then you want to take a pin or 2 pins and you want to mark the sides and the center together because you're going to need these markers to line it up with the neck line. So you're going to go ahead and line up the center back of the neckband to the center back of the t-shirt, and then you're going to line up the center front of the neckband to the center front of the t-shirt. And then we're going to go ahead and use the same stretch technique where you just kind of stretch out the neckband to kind of fit the t-shirt. Of course, the neckline of the t-shirt is going to be longer than the actual neckband because you want it to be nice and tight. So you want to go ahead and kind of stretch that neckband out to fit the neckline. And depending on the fabric you're using, you guys, this could be easy or difficult. If you're using something that's just a two-way stretch and doesn't really have that much of a stretch, it's going to be a little more difficult, and you might have to increase the size of the neckband just so that it fits around the perimeter of the neckline. And in this video, I'm not going to be showing you how to finish the hemming of the sleeves and the hemming of the actual t-shirt, but if you have a cover stitch machine, this is easy. If you don't, you can use just a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch, whichever one you prefer for decorative purposes. Thank you for watching, you guys, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.